Super excited. There's a new button in Nowsite that many people can be excited about, and it's called the compliance button. So let's give it a try. I'm on the home screen of my Nowsite account. I'm going to go to write a social post. I'm going to click on caption and suggested image, and I'm going to write, making 4 figures a month as a network marketer selling products that makes you feel younger in 10 days or less. Now, if you're in network marketing at all, you know there's like at least 2 things really wrong with that. I'm going to hit the generate button, and right now, AI is coming up with a post, 4 posts actually, that I can put out onto Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. Even more so, you can use the ideas. Like I use the LinkedIn post to post on Alignable because they're both business-oriented types of groups. Likewise, if you use there's so many social media out there. You can copy any one of these. If Facebook is on a more social platform that you might also use, you can copy it. So here's what it came up with. Have you ever dreamt of making 4 figures a month from the comfort of your own home? Well, it's not just a dream. I've seen firsthand how these amazing products can rewind the clock in just 10 days or less. Feeling younger is no longer wishful thinking. Imagine boosting your earnings while turning back time. Who's ready to join me on this journey? Now, again, it took my words, made them sound a whole lot better. Hashtag network marketing, hashtag age defying miracles, hashtag financial freedom. But again, doesn't mean that it's a great post. So now look down here in the lower right-hand corner, and it says compliance check. Clicking, and here's what it says. It's checking it right now. So against all known realistic compliance algorithms, this is what we're going to find out here pretty soon. I'm pretty sure it's going to say this post is very high risk. See if I'm right. So it has the original post here. Yep, high risk. Income claims, product claims, testimonial and implied endorsements, um, you know, which could be misleading, use of hashtags, financial freedom implies a guaranteed result. So here's what they rewrote it. They rewrite it. And it says, have you dreamed of earning extra income by sharing products you love? With dedication and effort, some have created an additional revenue stream. I'm thrilled with my skin feeling refreshed. Let's explore wellness together. Who's interested in learning more about this opportunity? Hashtag network marketing, hashtag skincare journey. So there it's completely rewritten all of my claims. If I click on update this post as suggested, it goes over here. Now, if I check on LinkedIn, this is my first time actually trying this out. I've seen the prototype for quite a while. And yep, here it is again, you'd have to do it for each different one. So for LinkedIn, it still says 4 figures a month. I would go through the compliance check again before copying and pasting that into LinkedIn or Alignable or any other place that I want to post this post. I love that it comes up with a photo for me. I can change the photo, and it helps me almost instantly post this. So now my LinkedIn post says exploring new income avenues is crucial for those passionate about growth. Network marketing could be a rewarding journey. Products are designed with wellness in mind. Da 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 da. So update posts. Now, I don't have a wellness company per se that I'm promoting, so I'm not going to promote this particular. I just created this as an example to post on this feed. So if you liked what you learned here, my whole feed has lots of other tips and tricks. If you want to use this incredible tool, please let me show you how to do so. I love teaching and training. I offer some office hours to help people, but the company does even more, way more than I do. And they're just a really great company to learn from. Lots of support, lots of ways to learn how to use the product on your own time. I just also have done this for a couple of years and enjoy teaching. So thanks for the for hitting subscribe button, and I would love to see a comment. Have a great day.